What are functions? Functions are tasks that we do again and again. So we give them a name, and whenever we want to do the task, we can call that function. Let me give you a very simple example to make the concept of function very clear to you. Every day, I wake up in the morning. Sometimes I wake at 8, sometimes I wake at 9. When I wake up, I go to the kitchen and I tell the maid, make breakfast. You can think of this statement, make breakfast, as a function. So when she hears this, make breakfast, she immediately knows what she has to do. First, she will take an egg, break it, and then beat it and make an omelette. Then she will make tea and put it in a big mug. She will take 4 slices of bread and toast each slice in the toaster. Then she will arrange all these things on a trolley, put the margarine packet on the trolley, 1 spoon, sugar, and knife, and then she'll call me, your breakfast is ready. So I'll come and I'll then pick up the trolley and take it to my room. So this is a very simple example of a function. I wanted to give you a very simple example so that this very important concept of function becomes clear to you. Concept of function is very important to understand. Functions are used in all programming languages. Basically, when we want to do a thing which is comprising of a number of subtasks, so we just gave it a name. So instead of every time giving the long list of tasks that we want to do, we just give the name of that function. And the program immediately knows what it has to do. It will then carry out all those tasks that have been defined in that function automatically. So this is a very simple explanation of a function. So first function header is the function name, and then curly braces within that there are instructions. It's very simple. This is a very simple example of a function double. First we give the type that the function returns double. It will return a double decimal number. Line function double A double B, it will add A plus B and return that value. This will be the value of this function. Remember in the operators video, I told you about return. So return is an operator that is used to return the value of a function. This return operator also returns the control back to the main program. When the program reads this line, then it enters into this function and the control shifts to this function. As long as this function calculation is taking place, the rest of the program execution stops. So this return operator, once it returns the value, then with that value, the control of the program returns to the main program, and then the next instruction in the main program gets executed. So I hope now you are very clear with what function is. We will define a lot of functions in our trade copier EAs, and you'll see those functions will make things very easy for us. Whenever we want to do something, we will call the name of that function, and the trade copier EA will automatically perform that task.